up? What's up, world? It's your boy DB. I'm out here, man. Finished. Park. Feels good out here, man. Got my workout in. It's over. Did some jogging, some jump rope, burpees, push-ups, pull-ups. It's good, man. Been out here for a while, over an hour. Ain't nobody out here, as you can see. Just a couple people was out here. Ain't nobody working out but me. We got to take back our health, people. You only get one body. Better take care of it. Eat less, work out more. I'm gonna leave on that note. Y'all stay positive. Stay sucker free. Peace. One love.